Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to access your routing settings using your mobile phone. To find the IP address, you will need to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. First, go to settings, represented by your icon. Next, you go to network and internet, tap on Wi-Fi, and then on advanced look for the gateway option. Once you find it, simple enter the gateway IP address. Into your browser, you will need the credentials to access the settings. Usually, the username is admin and the password is also admin. After doing this, you will have access to your router settings. That's it for this video. I apologize for my English as I am still learning. If you have any difficulties, please leave a comment below. See you next time.